Hey everyone, thanks for watching another video with us. Today we are looking at a 1923 Singer model 29-4 industrial sewing machine, and this was also called a patcher or a cobbler machine, or of course a leather or a canvas machine. So anyways, this is the head unit only. There is no base, but we wanted to make a quick demo video here and basically just show you what parts are included and that the machine is free and does indeed move. We've got it, you know, with one hand on the wheel, basically, where we can just about spin it a couple of times. But anyway, so we'll show you from a couple different viewpoints, and I'll have to apologize for the shaking of the camera, but obviously we're holding with one hand and moving it around with the other. We can see that the bobbin is indeed spinning underneath. And then of course over here, and we'll just move this around a little bit. I mean, she is pretty darn loose. And that was soap and water just to knock the dust off, and then in a couple of spots we hit it with some penetrating oil. Obviously, this antique machine, like any other antique sewing machine, unless you paid in advance to have it fully serviced, is going to need to be cleaned. It's going to need to be lubricated properly, and so on and so forth. But we have inspected it. We found no damage, you know, to any of the parts. Nothing's broke off. You know, if there's something missing, we sure aren't going to know that. The only thing I did notice was it looks like there's a screw missing for this cover plate right here. There's one here, but not one here. So, but beyond that, you know, we're not sewing people, and we're not sewing machine experts. So we're going to take a lot of pictures, and we'll show exactly what's here and what's not here. Again, we can spin it a little bit from this side. Ow. Try to keep my fingers out of the damn parts. But, I mean, just from what you see here, it looks to us like the bones are all good and they're all there, you know, for what could be a really nice working sewing machine. You know, there is some wear to the graphics right here. You've got the original graphics here and right here, and then of course along here and on top. You know, even some of the oil spot locations right there, more graphics. And then of course right here, your badge, which is how we dated it, the serial number to 1923. This was a production run of 2,000 machines. And so, you know, it's not a high production run. And then of course the model tag number and everything. So anywho, that's what it is. It is what it is. It is what you see right here. And as always, we appreciate you looking, and hopefully thank you for buying.